Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, surface cover, optical drive, hard disk drive, wireless module, keyboard, top cover, display panel assembly, display bezel, display panel, and hinge covers. Removal: disconnect the display panel cable from the webcam. Important: make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Peel back the metallic tape that secures the display panel cable to the display enclosure. Remove the display panel cable from the adhesive and routing channel that secure it to the display enclosure and remove. Replacement: connect the display panel cable into its connector on the webcam. Route the display panel cable through the routing channel and adhere it to the display enclosure. Replace the metallic tape that secures the display panel cable to the display enclosure.